When it comes to communication, some zodiac signs seem to have an innate ability to connect, express, and understand others effortlessly. Whether it's their words, their listening skills, or the way they express their emotions, these signs truly master the art of conversation. Today, we're diving into the top 5 zodiac signs who are masters of communication. First sign, Gemini. Let's start with Gemini, the ultimate communicator of the zodiac. With their quick wit, curiosity, and adaptability, Geminis are skilled at navigating conversations on just about any topic. They love learning from others and can connect with people from all walks of life. Their gift of gab is unmatched, and they have a way of making everyone feel heard and understood. Second sign, Libra. Libra, ruled by Venus, is all about balance, fairness, and harmony qualities that make them natural communicators. Libras are excellent listeners, and they always try to see things from all perspectives. They can mediate conflicts and create peaceful dialogues where everyone feels respected. With their diplomatic approach, they make conversations feel light and cooperative. Third sign, Leo. Leos are natural-born leaders with an incredibly engaging communication style. They speak with confidence, enthusiasm, and passion, making them incredibly persuasive and inspiring. Leos know how to captivate an audience, making others feel energized and motivated in their presence. Whether in a one-on-one conversation or leading a group, they have an undeniable ability to connect and communicate effectively. Fourth sign, Aquarius. Aquarius is known for their intellectual and progressive mindset, and when it comes to communication, they thrive in deep, meaningful conversations. Their approach is often unique and forward-thinking, which can challenge the status quo and inspire others. Aquarians love discussing innovative ideas, and they communicate with an open mind and a willingness to listen to new perspectives. Fifth sign, Cancer. Cancer, ruled by the moon, is highly intuitive and emotionally intelligent, which makes them exceptional communicators when it comes to understanding the feelings of others. They have an innate ability to pick up on the emotional tone of conversations and can respond with empathy and care. Cancers know how to make others feel safe and heard, making their communication style incredibly nurturing. These 5 signs shine when it comes to communication, whether it's through listening, inspiring, or connecting on a deeper level. Let me know in the comments which sign you think is the best communicator. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more zodiac insights. See you in the next video.